say goodbye to these, the scissors. I've opened a lot of stuff with these on this channel, and I think it's time to say goodbye to them. Get something a little bit more, something a little more rugged. It's in here. Oh, they sent two things in here. Something that Jasmine ordered. This is definitely not gonna replace the scissors. But what we're looking for is this right here. I don't know if you can see that. The TAC Force EMT EMS switchblade. I think it's time to say goodbye. But I am gonna have to use the scissors to open the new knife. They made sure that they extra taped it to be sure that it didn't open or anything like that. I think that was it. This might be the last time that you see these. So the TAC knife EMT is a two-tone color handle. If you can see, it's got the symbol there. And on this side, to clip onto you. It says that it's spring-loaded. Seatbelt cutter on that side. This side, to break glass. This video is definitely gonna be less than 7 minutes. However, not to shortchange this knife. It's amazing. It's great. The really cool thing about it is that it's durable. I mean, this is very, very heavy stainless steel on it. It's got these nice accents on the orange parts of it. That way that you can see it if it's dark out. It definitely looks reflective. On this end, the quick release is very fluid, very, very nice. And everybody said that I need to step up my game, so I went with this. It does have the serrated edge on it, so if you're opening bags of ice, if you need to open up toys, for all of us weekend warriors that are out there and reviewing things online. Let's see how the TAC Force does. Very easy, very fluid, all the way through on the other side. Very little pressure, and it's definitely extremely, extremely sharp. Be very, very safe when you're handling one of these. This is definitely advised for adults only, and folks to use with supervision. It's got the EMT logo on it. Do not pose as an EMT or anything like that. You will get beat up. But this is very, very perfect for those folks that need something for around the house. I love it. I'm super excited to use it in all my other videos, and you're gonna see a lot more of it in 7 minutes or less. Thanks for joining. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. In the comments, if you like this knife or have other suggestions for me of other things that you'd like to see me unbox, you can put it down there in the comments below. Make sure you hit that bell icon for all the other content that we're gonna load up. We'll see you next time. Bye.